Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to make some red potato salad. Bag of red potatoes. And what you need is your potatoes. I'm going to boil 2 eggs. We're going to put some sweet pickle. This is my sweet pickle that I made. You can also use sweet relish, which whatever you prefer, but I have my own sweet pickle. And I'm going to have a red onion. I've already used part of it, but this is just a red onion. Mayonnaise. Mustard. Now with the mayonnaise, usually you say 2 tablespoons full, but it's just whatever consistency you want of your potatoes. So I may use a little bit more. And just a dab of mustard, because a lot of people don't like mustard, but I always like a little bit in there to flavor it up. Salt and pepper. So the first thing I need to do is I'm going to get my eggs on and my potatoes on. I want my eggs to boil for 13 minutes. That way they're done, they're easy to shell, and if you boil your eggs 13 minutes and drain them and put ice on them, they're real easy to shell. And then I'm going to wash my red potatoes and dice them up and boil them until they're soft. Now I am not going to peel them. I just will probably cut out if I see any spots that I think should be cut out. So we will get started. Of course, first thing you're going to do is wash your potatoes. I cut off the ends of them. Now see, that's... And you just dice them up to about the size that you want your potato salad to be. You can dice them smaller. I like my pieces to be about that size. Like I say, I just go through them and make sure there are no bad spots in them. Okay, I've got my potatoes all peeled. Just going to fill it up with water. Cover your potatoes with water. Got my 2 eggs ready to go. Now I'm going to set these on the stove and I'm going to time my eggs for 13 minutes. And after my eggs gets done, my potatoes should be done. I've got my timer set for 13 minutes, but I'm not going to mash it until my eggs gets to boiling. Not 13 minutes from the time I put them in the water, but until they get to boiling. Then we'll set the timer. In the meantime, I'm going to fix my pickles and my onions, get everything cut up. So whenever that gets done, we can fix that and we'll have it all together. Now I really like pickles in my potato salad. Now I usually use at least a half a cup of pickles. You might want to start out with the 1/3, but I like the half. I've done this so much that I know what I like, so we're just going to chop it up into little pieces. Like you can use relish, so all you'd have to do is measure your relish out. You wouldn't have to, of course, cut that up. Okay, my eggs have started to boil, so we're going to set the timer. Now, I do have a video about how to make this pickle. The pickle will last 3 or 4 years. It's a 3-day pickle recipe. It's nothing short about it. This is my grandmother's, my mama's old-fashioned pickle recipe. Got a half a cup of pickles cut up. Now we're going to cut up our onion. And you know, I actually do have a chopper. But when I get ready to do things, sometimes I don't take time to dig out all this stuff that I've got. All these cookers. Now let's see how much onions I've got cut up. Okay, I have a 1/3 cup of onions cut up, so that's ready. Just as soon as my potatoes and my eggs get done, we're ready to mix it together. Okay, I have a 1/3 cup of onions cut up. You don't have to use red onions. The reason I'm using red onions, it makes it for a pretty salad. I got a half a cup of pickles, and I'm waiting for my potatoes and my eggs. Okay, my eggs are now telling me that they've been cooking for 13 minutes. Pour the water off of them, and we're going to put a cup of ice on top of them. We're just going to let it sit there in ice long enough for us to pour up our potatoes. We're going to strain our potatoes. Got our potatoes strained. Now we're going to leave them sitting right here long enough for us to peel our eggs and have them ready to be chopped up. Cook them for 13 minutes. Let them cool. They're really, really easy to peel. As my sister says, most of the time. Now you do need to let your potatoes cool just a little before you mix all the other stuff with it. As you can see, these are really done. So I'm just going to let this cool just for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And I've already got the 1/3 cup of onions cut up. Half a cup of pickles cut up. My 2 eggs are done that I'm going to dice up. And all we got to do is mix it all together with our mustard and our mayonnaise and salt and pepper, and we are done. Okay, I think they've cooled just a little bit enough. So we're just going to put the potatoes in here. Half a cup of cut up sweet pickle. And like I say, you can use relish. Need to go under Kay and Tom and check out my pickle recipe. And this is a 1/3 cup of chopped up red onions. And we're going to cut up our 2 eggs. And you don't have to put this in another bowl to cut it. All you got to do is put it in here and just chop it up. Put a little salt and pepper on it. You can always add more of that. And we're going to put mayonnaise. I would put at least 3 heaping spoonsful. I may add just a little bit more. And I always just put a dash of mustard in there. I don't usually measure my mustard. I just put just a little bit in there. And all you have to do now is just mix it all up. And I can see right now that I do not have enough mayonnaise in there. So we're just going to add some more mayonnaise in ours. Yeah, that's going to be better. The red potatoes and the red onions gives it such a pretty color. The mustard gives it a little yellow tint. And your eggs. And make sure that you stir it up real good. And we're going to put it into the bowl that we're going to serve it in. This is actually going to a church luncheon that we're having. This is a red potato salad. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel. Give me your comments. Come back to see me again and have a fantastic day.